Hi, my name's Chris Lindberg. I'm here to talk about incremental movement today. I'm an instructor at Shoreline Community College. Incremental movement is how far we move and in what direction. If we start at 15th Avenue Northwest and Northwest 69th Street and go to 11th Avenue Northwest and then to Northwest 67th Street, how far did we go? We went 4 blocks east and 2 blocks south. That's our incremental movement from our starting point. We use this when we're talking about working in the machine shop. Let's assume we're cutting using an end mill. We'll start the machine at the point -1, 0, shown on the graph with the red dot. If we want to start cutting at the point 0.5, how far will we have to move from -1, 0? Well, we moved 1 inch to the right and 1/2 inch up. That's our incremental movement. Now we're going to continue our cut, cutting now from 0.5 to make a straight cut all the way up to 0.2. What's our incremental movement in this case? In this case, our incremental movement is the 1.5 inches up. Let's look at another problem. Now we're going to start at -2.5, 0.5, and we want to cut a straight line to 0.2, shown by the motion of our red dot. What's the incremental movement? We still express the incremental movement in the movements left and right, up and down. So our incremental movement is 2.5 inches to the right and 1.5 inches up, or 1.5 inches up and 2.5 inches to the right. We can express the incremental movement in either way. It doesn't matter. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope you'll come and listen to another one with us. Bye.